The first question that I asked Bard is what is the weather today in Toronto, and this is the output in which we got back. The weather in Toronto today is mostly cloudy with a high of 1 degree Celsius and a low of -1 degree, and there's a 30% chance of snow. Let's actually go ahead and search this up on Google with the function that's included in Bard and see if that is correct. According to the Weather Network, we can see that Bard was fairly correct in its estimation of the weather. It is about 1 degree with a 30% chance of snow. Let's go ahead and actually run this input on ChatGPT to see if we're able to get more up-to-date information. I've asked ChatGPT what is the weather today in Toronto, and this was the output in which we got. Pretty much it says that it doesn't have that information because it's an AI language model. That was what I assumed that would happen because Strategy Between, as I mentioned earlier in this video, is only trained up to 2021, while Bard is created by Google, which is the largest search engine in the world. Share this video with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel to see more exciting tech tutorials. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.